got it already.
You can't even look out in that ocean there.
Yes.
What's that down here? An umbrella? Somebody down here?
No, it's for the guide for this security.
No.
You think somebody's sitting in the ocean right now on the umbrella?
Right there.
Let me see.
There.
Oh, this is from this colony.
Colin, back there. Somebody's sitting out there
No.
camped out.
This is the colony.
The guy down there just coming off the beach.
Yeah. Porque season
Yeah,
in
look
Palm
at all
Beach,
the concrete.
Worth Ave.